This is Sensor Studio, bringing you the latest news with a common-sense approach. We will quickly deliver the news about the Thailand-Cambodia conflict. The Cambodian military is attempting a rocket attack against the Thai military. The Cambodian military is using 122mm Grad multiple rocket launchers to bomb Escalation, Thailand. This is footage of the Cambodian military launching a rocket attack against the Thai military. The launch was carried out from an area where there is a village. The Cambodian military reportedly fired Chinese-made PHL-81 122mm self-propelled artillery and SH-40 rocket launchers. The Cambodian military tried to cross into Thailand and capture Sayugyu Hill, but reportedly withdrew after being shelled by Thai forces. The Cambodian military is escalating rocket strikes against Thai military positions, launching numerous rockets. The Cambodian military succeeded in shooting down a drone used by the Thai military. They reportedly shot down the drone using an Avtomat Kalashnikov rifle. The clashes between Thailand and Cambodia are currently spreading to 12 areas, with fighting continuing to escalate. The Thai military is using American-made 81mm M29 mortars to attack Cambodian military positions. Phumtham Wechai, Thailand's acting prime minister, said the escalating clashes with Cambodia are leading to war. Thailand has rejected mediation offers from the United States, China, and Malaysia, the current Association of Southeast Asian Nations chair, regarding the ongoing dispute with Cambodia, according to a Thai foreign ministry spokesperson. Thailand has declared that third-party mediation is currently unnecessary. The Bangkok Post reports that amid rising tensions with Cambodia, the Thai baht has fallen at least 0.3% per dollar to 32.29 baht, according to recent foreign exchange transactions. The report indicates that prior to the current conflict, there was increasing optimism about trade talks, recovering foreign stock inflows, and surging gold prices, leading the baht to rise over 6% this year. Over 138,000 Thai civilians have been evacuated from the Thailand-Cambodia border area. The Thai Ministry of Health stated on Friday that 138,013 civilians and 428 hospital patients have been evacuated from the border area since cross-border fighting started on Thursday. South Korea's Ministry of Foreign Affairs elevated the travel advisory for the Thailand-Cambodia border region on July 25. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs released a special travel advisory for Surin, Buriram, Sisaket, and Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand from noon, and elevated the travel alert for Sakayo, Chanthaburi, and Trat. Cambodia, special travel advisory for Otter Menchi and Preah Vihear provinces. Level 2 travel alert for Bantay Menchi, Pailan, Battambang, Pursat, and Koh Kong provinces. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has advised citizens to cancel or postpone trips to the Thailand-Cambodia border areas due to a special travel advisory. The United Nations Security Council will hold an emergency meeting today to discuss the escalating Thailand-Cambodia border dispute. This meeting was convened in response to a request from Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet, who asked the United Nations Security Council to hold an emergency meeting on Thursday. That concludes the video. Thank you.